I mean, if they say it's too dangerous to ride it right now, then who am I to tell them that they're wrong? In fairness, it is very windy. She told me to come back at 9:55, which is in like 3 minutes. So I don't know how much the weather is going to change in 3 minutes, but we'll find out. Hey, you're nice. You have got a nice face. Thank you so much. It's safe to ride, apparently. Merci. It's pretty windy. I'm sure it's safe. Well, we're going. If I'm perfectly honest about it, that was harrowing.